Okay.
Chairman.
Good job. Why is it important to celebrate Indigenous Peoples Day?
To educate others on our culture and sovereignty.
Yeah.
And what do we think about Indigenous Peoples Day?
Woo!